What's going on, everybody? David here. Today we're talking about Medellin, my trip to Medellin, and I'm talking mainly about going to Guatapé. So we went to Guatapé, and this is definitely one of the trips that I wanted to make. I wanted to go to Guatapé. There's a rock out there where you can walk up to the top and take some pictures of the whole area in Guatapé. So I wanted to do that. And the experience was really good. So we drive in. I think it took, I want to say it probably took us about an hour and a half. We stopped along the way to get food and all that. So we get to Guatapé. All right, we're here in Guatapé. And this is the, there it is right there. So we're going to climb that in a little bit. We're going to take some pictures first. But check this out right here. Look at that. Real nice town out here. So we'll be up climbing up this big rock, and first I'm going to fly a drone. We're going to fly the drone up there, see what that looks like. It's pretty neat. So we'll go ahead and take care of that right now.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get the 2,000.
Okay.
Take a break.
Your boy?
Break.
Your boy? Man, I can't even fit through the gate.
That's a true statement.
That should be a sign.
La salidita no es por ese lado. Buscan la salida en la curva.
Ah, sí, sí.
All right, so we reached the top, 650 steps, and I'm gonna take pictures. I took a few already. It's a real nice lake out here, so it's really nice to take pictures. So I'm gonna go around and take a few pictures. Didn't bring my drone. I should have brought my drone up here, but I thought it would be too much to be carrying because I had my camera and stuff already. So check out the view though. And so that's what I like. So you go up to the top and you're looking out. It's an amazing view. I mean, it's really. I would love to live down there in one of those little lakefront properties. It's really nice, and you know, I definitely would want to do that. So we did that, and one of the things, when you're going up, and how can I say this? When you're going up, you feel like, dang, am I that out of shape that I'm this tired going up this, you know, these steps? But when you're on your way down, they have two ways to go down, and I guess the fastest way to go down, it was closed, so we couldn't do that. And the fastest way is you actually go into the rock. You're going down that way. But the way that we went is we had to just go down the way that we came up. And so it was reassuring, let's just say it that way, coming down, because now you're seeing people going up and you see how tired they are, and you realize, okay, yeah, you know what, this is not easy, and I shouldn't be embarrassed that I had to stop a few times on the way up. So that felt, you know, that gave me a little more reassurance, like, okay, yeah, this isn't easy. You know, there are people that are struggling, and most people were struggling going up. I didn't see anybody just walking all the way up to the top without stopping. So that was good. That reassured me that, okay, yeah, this is a little more difficult than I thought. So then after that, then we went to the actual town of Guatapé. And beautiful town, nice bright buildings, oranges, reds, greens, blues, really nice colorful area. And then there's some nice shots you can get of the rock from the actual town of Guatapé. So that was nice. But overall, it was a great experience, and it allowed us to get out to an area that not too many people go to see. And if you're staying in Medellin, it's not right around the corner, so you have to either take a taxi, pay for the taxi, or have a guide take you, or do like one of the excursions to get out there. So it was a really good experience, and I definitely think it was something that I would do again, because I want to go back during sunset. I know they close it right at sunset, so I would probably be able to get off a few shots right before going down. But I would definitely want to go back during sunset, because we didn't have that opportunity. We got there a little early, so we didn't stay until sunset. But let me know what you guys think, though. I'd really like to hear if you guys have been there, what your experience has been. If you have any questions about it, please post some comments below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. All right, we are done in Guatapé. We're getting ready to head back to, we're gonna go get a bite to eat first, and then we'll head back to Medellin. And that right up there, that's not easy, but we did it. And I'm glad I did it, because I feel good now. But yeah, that was a hike. So we'll head back, get something to eat, then go back into Medellin, and hopefully we can catch a sunset, take some pictures during the sunset if we get back in time.